Number 40. There are 1,829 students at the middle school. 568 students are in the 6th grade. 629 students are in the 7th grade, and the rest of them are in the 8th grade. How many students are in the 8th grade? So there's many, many ways to start this. You can start with the 1,829 minus the 568, and then that would be whatever that answer is. Take that and then minus your 629, and this would be your 8th graders. So that's one way. Another way would be to do like a number line where you have the total is 829 and one piece is the 6th grade, one piece is the 7th grade, and one piece is the 8th grade, where 6th grade is 568, 7th grade is 629, and you have no idea what 8th grade is, so you figure that out. The other way is the way that I like to do it, and that is add these two add-ins together first before I do my subtraction. And if I was going to do that, let me flip this paper over so you guys can see this. I would start with 568 plus your 629. And so 7 plus 9 is 17. I'm sorry, 8 plus 9 is 17. You drop your 7 for your ones column. Your 1 for your tens column gets carried to the tens column. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 more is 9. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So your answer is 1,197 students that are in the 6th and 7th grade. So I realize that that answer is here is D, but that's not it. That's the total for this 6th and 7th grade. So that is not the 8th graders. That's the total there. Now what I would do is I would take this 1,829 and I would subtract what I know I already have, and that is the 1,179 for the 6th and 7th grade. So this is 6th and 7th grade. And I'm looking for 8th grade. So I would say 9 minus 7, well, that's 2, okay? I cannot do 2 minus 9, because if I only have 2, you can't have 9 of those. So I'm going to borrow from my hundreds column, and I'm going to take a whole group of hundreds, so this becomes a 7, and that whole group of hundreds comes over here to the tens column, so now I have 12 hundreds. So I have 120 minus my 9 tens. So 12 minus 9 is 3. And so then I say 7 minus 1 is 6, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So I have 632 8th graders. So if I go back to my question, it says how many students are in the 8th grade? Well, there are 632 8th graders.